Easter is the most important Christian festival. It commemorates the resurrection of Jesus Christ on the third day after his death on the cross. In Germany, Easter is celebrated as the festival of the resurrection of Jesus Christ and the beginning of spring, characterized by family celebrations, the search for brightly painted Easter eggs, and sweets brought by the Easter bunny. Typical customs include Easter bonfires, festive Easter meals, baking Easter lambs or braided yeast bread, and attending church services on the holidays. The word Ēostra is first documented in 738 by Bede the Venerable. He is the source of the theory that the word referred to an Anglo-Saxon goddess of light, after whom the month of April was named Ēosturmanoth in Anglo-Saxon. The German dictionary quotes him with the caveat that he may have invented this goddess, whose later name they suspect to be Ostara. Because of the discovery of Jesus' empty tomb early in the morning, as the sun was just rising, dawn is a symbol of resurrection in Christianity. According to what is probably the earliest Christian creed, Jesus was raised from the dead on the third day according to Scripture. This refers to the discovery of the empty tomb on the first day of the week. In the first centuries of Christianity, Easter was the only regular time for baptism. Therefore, the blessing of the baptismal water is part of the Easter Vigil liturgy. In German-speaking countries and the Netherlands, children search for brightly painted, hidden chicken eggs and sweets that have been hidden by the Easter bunny. There is also a custom of decorating branches and vases or on trees in the garden with brightly painted Easter eggs. At Easter, living rooms and gardens are decorated with many colorful items, preferably painted eggs, Easter bunnies, and branches. This is a custom that was considered a pre-Christian symbol of fertility. The eggs are often decorated by hand. For this, chicken eggs are blown out or boiled. They are colored, for example, with food coloring or painted with viscous paints. In many cultures, eggs are considered a symbol of life. The hare was already considered a symbol of fertility in ancient Germanic times. The custom of decorating public village fountains with painted Easter eggs and other decorations as Easter fountains in the period leading up to Easter. The origin of this custom lies in the significance of water. In the Highlands, water was scarce in earlier times, when there were no water pipes bringing fresh drinking water to every house. Easter decorations still highlight how important wells and cisterns were for people in those days.